So if you're selling a platform, if you're selling a SaaS, a software solution, most of the time that bottom of funnel engagement, that bottom of funnel call to action that we're trying to get people into is not just a call with a salesperson. People are actually wanting to sign up for a demo of their product. A really important issue to hit on is that shift to getting people to a demo. If you have the opportunity to do that, it definitely breaks the wall down. It takes people's guard down to come into a demo because they're here to see something really cool, hopefully, that's valuable that they can then, put in their back pocket and go think about it and come back another time. The problem is most salespeople fundamentally do a demo the wrong way. And that's not to say they're not good salespeople. It's just that sales demos for a product are very different than watching, let's say, a video on how to use a platform or how to use a system. And so that's the way most people, especially younger startups, tend to think about doing a demo. Is let me show you the product. I'll show you the features, and we hop in and we walk them through the product. And we think because we built it, it's so cool. Of course, people are going to love it. People are going to want to have access to it. They're going to want to buy it. But then, as you probably have already seen, if you're selling a product that way, you're going to see people just fall out and disappear and never come back. So how do you actually run a demo? How do you run through this process if you're doing a demo or a sales demo? Well, you're going to start with the exact same thing. So it's literally the exact same process. So if you've been going through this whole sales call and validation and all that stuff and thinking, well, we're doing a demo, so it's not like I'm trying to get them on a sales call. Incorrect. You are doing a sales call. You're just positioning it as a demo. And the big difference, the biggest thing that's going to be different from what you're doing compared to everybody else is you are using that pitch section as a demo. Okay? Your pitch section should be the demo of your product. And everything else should be the exact same. You're going to go through that same exact pitch process. You're going to go through that same worksheet. And instead of where you're just telling people what the actual solution is for the solution part of each pillar, you're going to show them inside of the platform. And so you're going to actually do the thing for them in there. And that does not mean you start and show them every single little feature that happens inside of your platform because you're going to overwhelm them. You really just need to show them the most essential things that are going to solve their problems. You know exactly how you need to pitch your product. You know how the demo needs to go to hit the points if you know what those pains are from the people that you're collecting them. So when we go through our pitch worksheet or our demo worksheet, what we can do is go back to the Explore questions, and you're going to build your Explore questions based off of the things you can fulfill, because you want them to go through the questions and they're going to be like, I don't have a solution for that. I don't have an answer for that. Well, it just so happens, how when we were talking through X, Y, and Z just a little bit ago, let me show you in our platform how this actually works, because it's not that you have a this problem, it's that you have a that problem. And I'm going to show you how our platform actually fixes that. So that's the kind of format that you want to handle yourself in that kind of a way when you're in a sales demo, okay? So again, you're going to go through the exact same process: explore, transition, demo, and close, all right? And there's nothing wrong with that, because so many people think I'm doing a demo, just get in and show me the features. I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to show me features. Absolutely not. You as a salesperson, as the person running that demo, needs to be in control of that conversation the entire time. You are diagnosing their problems. You are still diagnosing their problems. It's not like you're at a booth at a trade show and people just get to come up and ask you questions and you just answer whoever has a question. You are controlling this conversation. You are like a surgeon that people are coming into and telling you that there are issues that they have. And then you're going to diagnose their problems, and you're going to diagnose and say, yeah, see, here's the issue right here. Our solution, our product will solve that. This is the prescription that you need. All right. So make sure we still have that same exact mindset. So when we're shifting for a demo, we're going to think about how we can say the right things to the right people. We are not going to talk about the features of your product on a demo. That is the wrong way to think about a demo, is to get people on and just show them features. most people are doing demos the wrong way, like I was saying, and it's because they just can't wait to show them their product. And there's nothing wrong with feeling that way because your product is cool. You built it. It's awesome. But we have to remember they are coming to you because there's a problem. So there's nothing wrong with running a demo this way and saying, remember, you're diagnosing their problem. So you get on a phone call and you say, I just want to be mindful of time. I know we're short on time. There's a lot of different features that I can show you about our product and our platform. So what I'm going to do is ask you some questions, get to know kind of where you're at and what your needs are. And that way I know where to focus and show what features of our platform we should talk about. And then if you have specific questions, we can go into those as well. Does that make sense? And so that's the kind of frame of how you want to set it. So now you're in control. You get to ask any question you want, right? So most people are doing demos the wrong way. You need to make sure that your process is still the exact same, okay? And then again, your pitch, just to reiterate, that pitch becomes the demo itself. You still need to say the things that are in the pitch. You still need to follow that same framework, but you can do it in a way while you're talking through the product or you're asking them questions or getting them to understand the different features of the product, okay? And then last little bit, just to reiterate again, you still need to gather all of that important information. So all that stuff up front should not be skipped. Do not let yourself fall into the trap of just getting in, asking where they're located, talk about the weather, talk about your cousin who is from that city as well, and then say, so let me hop in, I'll show you the product, and we'll take it from there. That is a wrong way to do a demo. You're going to lose more sales than you need to unless you follow this kind of a process where you're diagnosing their problems. You're using that to frame what features or what areas of or pillars of your software you should highlight, and that's how you go about setting up a successful demo. Hope that makes sense, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have not done so yet, please go to webcanopystudio.com/assessment and take the website conversion assessment. You're going to get about 30 questions. It's going to ask you some really great questions about where you feel you stand on your website. And based off of the information that you provide, you will be given a personalized, customized report of things that you should do to fix that and to make things perform better on your website. I think that's it. Again, my name is John Aikin. I'm the CEO of Web Canopy Studio, and this was the Website Conversion Show. We'll see you guys. Bye-bye.